This robot, it was an eye-opener. He looks strange, super powerful. Every appearance can make the US military nervous. Look at this shape. It's like coming out of a science fiction movie. Streamlined appearance, cool colors. You can tell at a glance that it is not ordinary. But that's not the best part. The most amazing thing is his ability. This robot, he had a brilliant brain, able to self-learn and adapt to the environment. Whether on the battlefield or elsewhere, he can quickly integrate, complete various difficult tasks, especially on the battlefield. This robot is an all-rounder. He can plan his own route, avoid various obstacles, precision strike target, and he can also use big data analytics, anticipate enemy movements, provide strategic support to the US military. This way, the US military is more confident on the battlefield. So how did such an amazing robot come into being? Actually, this is inseparable from the promotion of technological progress. Now, artificial intelligence technology is more and more developed. Robots are getting smarter. The US military is one of the best in the world. Of course, I also want to use robots to improve combat efficiency, reduced casualties, and changes in modern warfare. And that's what gave rise to this robot. The current war, more and more attention is paid to informatization and intelligence. Traditional methods of warfare are no longer sufficient. This robot, just adapted to this change, became the new darling of modern warfare. But the appearance of this robot has also sparked a heated debate among everyone. Some people worry that he will become the master of the battlefield, even replace human soldiers actually. This fear is not unreasonable. After all, this robot is really powerful, sometimes even more than human soldiers. But we also need to be aware of his limitations. Robots are smart, but there are still many places that are not comparable to humans. For example, they lack human emotion, creativity, and flexibility. So robots and human soldiers are not replacing each other. They should cooperate with each other, meeting the challenges of war together in general. This robot that made the US military highly nervous was indeed a remarkable invention. He represents the power of technological progress and the direction of future development, although he has brought some challenges and controversies. But this is what keeps us going. In the future, I believe this robot will continue to play to its strengths, make greater contributions to human society. At the same time, we should also pay more attention to the development and application of technology. Let technology truly serve humanity, make the world a better place. So, don't be afraid of this robot. Don't despise him. We should accept him with an open mind. Knowing him makes him an important tool for us to meet the challenges of the future. This way, we can remain invincible in this era of change and challenge. This robot is really making the US military nervous. His strange shape is simply amazing to see. And to be honest, I was blown away when I first saw him. This robot, no ordinary military equipment. He's a big tech guy. You see his streamlined design, like a cheetah, ready to strike, and his joints are also very flexible, able to handle a variety of complex environments with ease, thanks to a combination of biomimicry and mechanical engineering. Why is the US military so nervous? To put it bluntly, it is because he is too powerful. The robot is equipped with advanced sensors and computer vision. It's like having a pair of fiery eyes, capable of perceiving the battlefield environment in real time. Accurate target identification. And here's the thing, he also has a powerful weapon system. Whether it's reconnaissance strikes or transportation, can be easily done with him. The US military is simply more powerful on the battlefield. Combat effectiveness skyrockets. Speaking of the R&D background of this robot, it was a time of exploration and innovation. Do you want? The current state of war is becoming more and more complex. Traditional military equipment is no longer sufficient to meet demand. So researchers began to figure out how to build more advanced robots. They traveled day and night, overcame one technical challenge after another, and that led to this amazing robot. The appearance of this robot. Not only does it make the US military nervous, it also shook the entire field of military technology. Everyone is guessing, will these robots change the future of warfare? After all, he has such great ability. It is entirely possible to become the protagonist of the future battlefield. But then again, this robot is powerful. But it's not everything. He also has his own limitations and weaknesses. Like what? He is a machine after all, without human intelligence and emotion, so in some cases, maybe not as good as human soldiers, but this does not affect his important position in the military field. After all, with the continuous development of technology, robots are going to become commonplace, getting stronger and stronger, saying so much. In fact, what I want to express most is, this robot is really amazing. It not only represents the latest achievements in military technology, it also makes us look forward to the future. I believe in the near future, we must see more robots like this will thrive on the battlefield, make greater contributions to the progress and development of human society. So, let's wait and see. Let's see what wonders this robot that makes the US military highly nervous can create on the battlefield of the future.